Good morning to everyone. Good morning all of you. Right, we are discussing about calendar topic. So already we discussed about odd days. So what is January odd days? January odd days. January is having 31 days, means 3 odd days. So these are the odd days. These are the months. January 31 days. February will have 28 and 29. So 28 means 0, 29 means 1 odd day. Yes, my students, right? Next one, March. So March is having 3 odd days because 31 days. March is having 31 days, 3 odd days. Next one, April, having 30 days, so 2 odd days. Next one, May, having 31 days, 3 odd days. June, having 30 days, 2 odd days. July, having 31 days, 3 odd days. Next one, if you find out here, August 31 days, 3 odd days. Next one, September 30 days, 3 odd days, 2 odd days. Next one, October 31 days, 3 odd days. November 30 days, 2 odd days. December 31 days, 3 odd days. Already we learnt all these odd days topics in the last class, right? Now my question, which day falls on 11th August, 11th September 2021. Which day falls on 11th September 2021? Which day falls on, my question, which day falls on 11th September 2021? 11th September 2021. Yes, my students, what's your answer? Which day falls on 11th September 2021 means today only. So today is Saturday, everybody knows. How to prove that today is Saturday? 11th September 2021. Yes, now see how to find. Just we know about leap years in centuries. 400 is a leap century, 800 is a leap century, 1200 is a leap century, 1600 is a leap century, 2000 is a leap century. All these centuries will have 0 odd days. Already we proved it, we did it also, right? Yes, my students, right? All these leap centuries will have 0 odd days. Now see how to prove that 11th September 2021 is a Saturday. Today is a Saturday, we know it. Yes, how to prove it? Yes, so many ways will be there. Somebody will say some logic, somebody will say year wise, month wise and century wise, but original process if you learn, that will take only 30 seconds time, less than 30 seconds. It will give good answer to you, you won't get any doubt. Now see 2021, first what is the given year you see, 2021. If you know that up to 2000 there is no odd days, 0 odd days. So take 2021, take 2021. If you take 2021, 2000 years will not have any odd days. We know that 2000 is a leap century. This is not having any odd days. So we cannot, no need to take 2000. Still how many years are there you see? 21 years are there. 21st year is going on, 20 years completed. So 20 years are completed. 20 years are completed. 21st year is going on. 21st year is going on. So which date is going on? September 11th. September 11th. See, 3, this year is not a leap year. 0, 3 plus 0, 3 plus 3, 6, 8, 11, 13, 16, 19, 19 up to August, September 11th. See once here, 21st year is going on, up to September 11th we are finding out. Up to August, how many odd days you take? 3, 3, 9, 6, 8, 11, 16, 13, 16, 19, plus 11 September. So now these are the 20 years, you need to take for every 4 years a leap year. In this 20 years, you need to take every 4 years leap year. How many 4s are there you see? In this 20, how many 4s are there? 5 4s are there. So 5 leap years, remaining 15 non-leap years. 5 leap years, remaining 15 is non-leap years. Yes, my students, all of you got it? Now see, every leap year will have 2 odd days. 5 2s are 10 days. Every normal year will have 1 odd day. 15 ones 15 plus 19 plus 11, this is 30. How many odd days are there you see? 10 plus 15, 25 plus 30. 55 days. 55 days means what we can take? 7 weeks exactly plus 6 odd days. What is the 6th day in the week? That is Saturday. Yes, my students, all of you got it? We are finding out here, once again I will explaining once you see. Which day falls on 11th September 2021. 11th September 2021. This date we are finding out here. Just you see how to find today's date. We can find today's date, tomorrow's date, any date we can go fast also, right? Now see, first 2021 you take, what is the year is given here. What is the nearest leap century you need to take? Nearest leap century is 2000 because 2000 is having 0 odd days. No need to write 2000, we can cancel it. Still how many years are there you see? 21 years are there. 20 years are completed and 21st year is going on. So in this 20 years, for every 4 years we will get a leap year. So how many 4s are there you see? In this 25 4s are there, 5. So 5 plus 15, totally 20 years. 5 leap years, 15 non-leap years. Every leap year will have 2 odd days, 5 2s are 10 days. Every normal year will have 1 odd day, 15 ones are 15. Now September 11th means you need to find odd days for up to August. January 31 days means 3 odd days. February 0 or 1. March is 3 odd days. April is 2 odd days. May 3 odd days. June 2 odd days. July 3 odd days. August 3 odd days. Now see how many are there. 3 plus 0, 3, 6, 8, 11, 13, 16, 19 days. So 19 plus September 11th. So totally 30 days. So 10 plus 15, 25 plus 30, 55 days. 55 days means 7 weeks exactly plus 6 odd days. 55 by 7, 7 weeks exactly plus 6 odd days. 6th day is Saturday. In the week, 6th day is Saturday. 7th day is Sunday. Monday is the first day. So 6th day is Saturday. Yes, my students, all of you got it? Right? Let me know. I will give one more example. I will give, right? Yes, right? One more example we can do for better understanding. Somebody is asking here. We can do one more example, right? Once we see one more example, right? Which day falls on? Which day falls on? Which day falls on September 21st, 2021. September 21st, 2021. Which day falls on? Means if not, what will be the day falls on? What will be the day falls on 21st September 2021. For better understanding, okay, you need to write first months here. Year January is having how many odd days? 31 odd days means 3 odd days. February is having 28 days or 29, 0 or 1. March is having 31 days, 3 odd days. April is having 30 days, 2 odd days. Next one, May is having 31 days, 3 odd days. June having 30 days, 2 odd days. July having 31 days, 3 odd days. August is having 31 days, 3 odd days. September is having 30 days, 2 odd days. October is having 31 days, 3 odd days. November is having 30 days, 2 odd days. Like that you need to write here. Now see, which day falls on September 21st, 2021? First you need to verify what year is given here. It's not a leap year because odd number is there. It's not a leap year. Ladies and gentlemen and gentleladies, carefully. This is the original process. Many of you will tell some logics, okay, some codes, right? Those will be there. Better first you learn how to do the process. Later, if you got very accurately the process, we can go for codes and year codes, month codes, like that we can do it, right? First you learn the process properly. So first you take nearest leap century for 2021. This is the year is given. What is the nearest leap century? 2000 is the nearest leap century that is having 0 odd days. So no need to write 2000. No need to write 2000 because 2000 years is having 0 odd days. Still how many years are there? 21 years are there. 21 years are there. First you take 20 years and 21st year is going on. 21st year is going on. Now in this 20 years, how many leap years? How many non-leap years? For every 4 years you will get a leap year. In this 20, you will be having 5 leap years because 5 4s are 20. So 5 leap years and 15 normal years. If you add these two, you need to get 20. So 5 leap years, these are. So these are the leap years. These are the leap years. These are non-leap years. Non-leap years. Yes, we know that every leap year will have 2 odd days. So 5 leap years, 5 2s are 10. Every normal year will have 1 odd day because leap year 366 days, 2 odd days. Normal year 365 days, 1 odd day. So 15 ones are 15. Now 21st. September 21st, September 21 days plus up to September means up to August. How many odd days are there? 3 plus 0 plus 3, 6 plus 8, 11, 13, 16, 19 days are there. This is about this month. This year, yes, 10 plus 15, 25, 25 plus 20, 45, 46, yes. 46 plus 10, 56 plus 9. How many odd days are there? Yes, my students? How many odd days? Which day you are getting? 21 plus 19, 40, 55, 65 days. 65 days means divide by 7. 7, 9, 63. 9 weeks exactly plus 2 odd days. If you find in our calendar, 21st September this year is Tuesday. Second day means Tuesday. Yes, my students, all of you got it? So what you have to do means, first what is the year is given you see. You need to find what is the nearest leap century. One more example I will give. Did you understand all of you, I think? Shall I have this one? We can go for another example. Yes, my students, right? Now one more example I will give. One more example I will give, right? Yes. One more example I am writing, see once here. What is the example? What was the day? What was the day on 3rd March 2021? 2021, 3rd March 2021. Any one of you? What was the day on 3rd March 2021? Yes, my students, right. What day you are getting? 3rd March 2021. Don't see any calendar, don't see your mobile and everything. You try yourself. You can find out your own birthday date also, which day you born. Yes, my students, right? First learn the process, how to find the day. Yes, my students, right? Just find out, you can discuss, right? Now see once here, how to find. So first you need to take the year. What is the year? 2021. 2021. 2021. So 2000 years is not having any odd days. 400, 800, 1200, 1600, 2000. All these centuries will not have any odd days. Yes, 2000 years is not having any odd days. So, you can remove 2000. 2021. So, no need to take 2000 years, no need to take, because 2000 years is having 0 odd days. Now, what is the next number you see? 21 years. So, 21st year date we are finding out. So, take 20 years and 21st year we are finding March 3rd. If you want to go March 3rd means you need to go for, first you need to complete January, after that you need to complete February. Somebody asked that why to take odd days. You cannot go January to March directly. We can complete first January 31 days, after that February will come. So, February 28 days completed means March will come. March 3rd we are finding. March 3rd we are finding. Yes, my students, that is why you need to take this January odd days and February odd days. After that March 3 you need to add. First in this 20, how many leap years? How many non-leap years? How many leap years? How many non-leap years? So, in this 20, how many 4s are there? 5 4s are there. It means 5 leap years are there. So, 5 leap years, remaining 15 non-leap years. Every leap year will have 2 odd days. Every leap year will have 2 odd days. 5 2s are 10. Every normal year will have 1 odd day. 15 1s are 15. Now, January having 3 days, February is having 0 days because this is a non-leap year, February 28 days. March 3, totally 6 days. 10 plus 15, 25 plus 6, 31 days. So, 31 days means 4 weeks exactly, 4 weeks exactly, because 31 by 7, 4. 4 weeks exactly, 4 7s are 28. 3 odd days. So, what is the third day in the week? That is Wednesday. That is Wednesday. I will give one more example, just you need to find out. Yes, my students, right? How to find today's date, tomorrow date, yesterday's date, we can find very easily. Okay, we can go to any date. Yes, one more I will give, one more example I will give, just you see. Right? What was the day falls on April 15th, 2021? Don't see any calendar, don't see your mobile and find out yourself only. What was the day falls on? What was the day falls on 15th April, 15th April 2021. 15th April 2021. This year dates we are finding. We can go future, we can go to the past also, right? First we can learn today's and tomorrow's this year dates. After that we can go for the next dates. What was the day falls on 15th April 2021? Yes, my students, right. 3rd March means Wednesday. 3 odd days means first odd day is Monday, second day is Tuesday and third day is Wednesday. 3 odd days we are getting, third day is Wednesday. 6 odd days, 6th day is Saturday. 7 odd days, 7th day is Sunday. 7th day or 0 day you can take. Yes, my students, right? Somebody is writing 1990 date. See what I am saying, listen carefully. Today we are finding only this year dates. Tomorrow we can go for whatever the date you want to go for, 1990 or 1660 or 1700, whatever the date. Somebody is asking extremely. How we can find? First learn today's and tomorrow's date, this year dates. We can go for next class 1990 date, 1998 days, 2000 dates, 1960 dates, 1678, whatever you want. Yes, first we learn the process. After that we can go for future dates, past dates, present dates also, right? Yes, now see one more example, right? What was the day falls on 15th April 2021? First you need to write 2021, 2000 plus 20 plus 21st year is going on. No need to write 2000 because it is a leap century having 0 odd days. This is a leap century having 0 odd days. In this 20, how many leap years? How many non-leap years? For every 4 years we will get leap year. In this 20, how many 4s are there? You need to find 20 by 4. 5 leap years, remaining 15 non-leap years. Every leap year will have 2 odd days, 5 2s are 10. Every non-leap year will have 1 odd day, 15 1s are 15. Now, 21st April. If you want to go for April, first you need to complete January. January is having 3 odd days. Next one, you need to complete February. February is having 0 odd days. You need to complete March. March is having 3 odd days. After that, 15th date we are finding. 15th April. 3 plus 3, 6 plus 15, 21. So now 10 plus 15, 25 plus 20, 45 plus 1, 46 days. 46 days means how many weeks, how many odd days? 46. 7 6 are 42. So 6 weeks completely plus 4 odd days. So what is the 4th day in the week? 4 odd days means 4th day in the week is Thursday. Thursday. Yes, my students, right? Did you understand all of you? One more example I will give, right? Now see one more example. What was the day falls on? One more example writing, one more example. Just you need to clear your doubts. You are finding 2021 dates. We can go back, we can go front, we can go to future, we can go to past also. Whatever the date you want, we can find. Yes. Now first we need to learn how to find the date first. Today we are doing that. What was the day falls on? June 23, 2021. Yes, my students, don't see any calendar, don't see your mobile. Directly you need to find June 23, 2021. I will wait for your answer, right? Yes. June 23, 2021. Yes, my students, right. What is the process you see? First you see the year. What is the year is given? 2021. Nearest leap century is 2000. No need to take 2000 years. No need to take 2000 years. Now, no need to take 2000 years. Yes. Still 21 years are there. In this 21, 20 years are completed. 21st year is going on. 21st year is going on starting January and we are finding June. January to June. June 23 we are finding. Yes, my students, right? So we cannot go directly January to June. First you need to complete January, after February, after March, after May, after June. Yes. Now see, in this 20, how many leap years? How many non-leap years? Divide by 4. 5 leap years. 4 5s are 20. 5 leap years and remaining 15 non-leap years. 5 leap years, remaining 15 non-leap years. Yes, every leap year will have 2 odd days, 5 2s are 10. Every normal year will have 1 odd day, 15 1s are 15. Now, January is having 3 odd days, February 0, March 3, April 2, May 3, June 23. We are finding today's date. 6, 8, 11, 14. So 34 days. 34. 10 plus 15, 25 plus 30, 55 plus 4, 59 days. 59 days means how many odd days, how many weeks? Divide by 7. 7 8s are 56. 8 weeks exactly plus 3 odd days. So third day in the week is Wednesday. Wednesday. Yes, my students, many of you written Wednesday only. Yes, my students, right? Now one more example I'll give. One more example. Yes, we can go fast, we can go future also, right? I'll give one more example. What will be the day? What will be the day falls on? What will be the day falls on 4th April 2022. I changed the year here. What will be the day falls on 4th April 2022? 2022. I changed the year. Be careful. What will be the day falls on 4th April 2022? We can find any date except Tidru Nakshatralu, we can find anything in our life. What will be the day falls on 4th April 2022? 4th April 2022, right? First you need to find here what is the year 2022. What is the nearest leap century? What is the nearest leap century? 2000. No need to write 2000 here. Yes. Still 22 years are there. We are finding 22nd year date. So how many years are completed? 21 years are completed. We are doing 22nd year date. 22nd year date we are finding. So in this 21, how many 4s are there? 5 4s are there. So 16 normal years. 16 plus 5 again 21. First in this year only you need to be very clear, because this is not having any odd days, we are cancelling. 21 years, how many 4s are there? 5 4s are there. 5, remaining 16 is having normal years. Now see, these leap years will have 2 odd days, 5 2s are 10. This is normal year plus 16. Now April means you need to find January 3 days. February, this is not a leap year or leap year? This is not a leap year. Yes, so February 0 days. March 3 days. April 4th. So totally that is 10 days. 20 plus 6. 10 plus 16, 26 plus 10, 36. 36 days. How many weeks? 36 by 7. 7 5 35. 5 weeks exactly plus 1 odd day. So that day you will get as Monday. If you check your calendar, you will get that day. Next year, April 4th, you will get certainly Monday. There won't be any difference at all. Yes, somebody is asking how to get 5 and 16, 21 years. Divide by 4. 4 5s 20. 4 5s 25 leap years. In 21, 4 will go 5 times. For every 4 years we will get leap year. How many 4s are there? Yes, 4th year, 8th year, 12th year, 16th, 20. How many leap years are there? 5 leap years. In 21 years, 5 leap years means remaining 16 normal years. So leap year will have 2 odd days, 5 2s are 10, 16 1s are 16, that is 36 days. Yes, my students, right? Still any doubt? Please let me know your doubts. Yes. We are finding April means we cannot go directly to April. First you need to complete April, January month, after February month, after March month, next April will come. Directly we cannot go April 4th. Did you understand how we are getting 5 and 16? Somebody is asking, right? So in this 21 years, for every 4 years you will get leap year. How many 4s are there? So divide by 4. 4 5s 20. So 5 leap years. So 21 minus 5, that is 16 you can write here. 5 leap years, 16 normal years. Yes, my students, right? I think all of you got it, right? One more example. Just Nada? Right now, one more example. What will be the day falls on? What will be the day falls on? What will be the day falls on? 15th March 2028. Yes, my students, right. 15th March 2028. Let me know what date you will get. We can discuss now. So 2028. No need to write 2000. So 2000 is not required because this is a leap year, we will have 0 odd days. Still how many years are there? In this 28, still how many years? 28 years. 28th year date we are finding, it means 27 years are completed. 28th year date we are finding means 27 years are completed. 28th year we are finding out. 28th year we are finding out January, February, March. So January to March 3, we are March 15th we are finding. First no need to do anything here because 2000 is not required. You go for 27. How many 4s are there in 27? Divide 27 by 4. Divide 27 by 4. 4 6 are 24. 6 leap years. So 27 minus 6 is 21. If you add these two, you need to get 27. 6 leap years, 21 non-leap years. Every leap year will have 2 odd days. 6 2s are 10. Every normal year will have 1 odd day. 21 ones, 21. Now, January to March. January 3 odd days. February, this is a leap year. 28th year is a leap year. February is having 1 odd day. Because this is a leap year. This is a leap year. 28th year, it divided by 4, no? So 28th year is a leap year. We have February 29 days. 1 day you will get. March 15. So 3 plus 1 plus 5, 9, 19. How much you see? 21 plus 19, 40 plus 12, 52. 52 days means how many weeks you see? 7 weeks exactly plus 3 odd days. So what is the third day? That is Wednesday. Answer is Wednesday. Many have written Wednesday only. Some have written Thursday also. Wednesday, 7 weeks, 7 7s 49 plus 3, Wednesday. Yes, my students? I think right, all of you got it? 4 odd days or 3 odd days? So 21 plus 19, that is 40 plus 12, 42, 52. 7 7s 49 plus 3 odd days. 6 to the 12 plus 21 plus 3, January, February, March. So this is 19, 40, 52. 7 weeks plus 3 odd days, that is Wednesday. 7 plus 1 plus 18, 3 days in February, January, 1 day in February, 15 days in March. So 15 plus 4, 18 plus 19 days, 7 weeks plus 3 odd days. Yes, my students, right? 2028 is a leap year. Yes, that's why 1 day February extra day. 2028 is a leap year, February 1 extra day. This is March 3, January, February, March. Yes, my students, right? I think all of you got it. How to find leap year means you need to divide by 4, remainder 0 means you will get. One more example I will give, one more example, right? You need to be very careful when you are writing the odd days. What will be the day falls on? What will be the day falls? Somebody is asking 2004 continuously. What was the day falls on? 15th April 2004. Somebody is asking this date, right? Yes. 15th April 2004. Yes. Somebody is continuously asking 2004 date. I think he born 2004, I think. What was the day falls on? 15th April 2004. 15th April 2004. Yes, my students, right? What was the day falls on 15th April 2004? First you need to take 2004. So 2000 is not required because this is a leap century. Still 4 years are there. So 3 years are completed. 4th year is going on. 4th year which date? April, means January to April. Yes, January to April 15th. April 15th. January to April 15th. Now see, first you need to take this 3. Any 4s are there? No 4s. So here no leap years and remaining 3 years here. You need to divide by 3 by 4 means not possible, no leap years. Yes, so 0 plus 3 odd days, 3 1 are 3. No leap years, no 0. So 3 1 are 3. January is having 3 days. February 2004 is a leap year. 2004 will be divisible by 4. It's a leap year. February 1 day. March 3 days. April 15. So 15 plus 3 18 plus 1 19 plus 22. So totally 25 days. Totally 25 days. How many weeks? 25 days means 3 weeks exactly plus 3 7s 21 plus 4 odd days. So what is the 4th day in the week? That is Thursday. Monday first day, Tuesday second day, Wednesday third day, 4th day is Thursday. So answer is Thursday. How many of you got Thursday? I'll check your messages, right? Answer is Thursday. Yes, my students, right? Yes, my students, right? I think all of you understood now. Very clear? Yes. Very clear? Tomorrow we can go back 1996, 1997, 1600, 1700, that dates we can find. I think today's date, tomorrow's date. So we got present date and got future date also, right? You need to be very careful when you are writing the odd days. January, always 3 odd days. February, always 0 or 1. If it is 28, 0 you need to write, 29, 1 day. March, 3 odd days. April, 2 odd days. June, April, 2 odd days. June, May, 3 odd days. June, 2 odd days. July, 31 days, 3 odd days. August, 31 days, 3 odd days. September, 30 days, 2 odd days. October, 31 days, 3 odd days. November, 31 days. Two odd days. December, 31 days, 3 odd days. So you need to be very careful when you are writing the odd days. Thank you all of you. We can meet in the next class.